Okay, I'm back again, just with a really quick share video this time. This is just a couple of, three purchases I've made from Etsy that I'd like you to have a quick look at because they're all super cool. We'll talk about him in a minute. I'll start with this one. This is a journal, traveller's notebook style journal that I've purchased from Heidi McGregor, who does beautiful work, in my opinion, and is, I think, Frizzy Lizzie Designs on Etsy. I'll put her links underneath. And I just wanted to share a few pages in here with you because they absolutely are gorgeous. Especially love these fabric strips that she's put on. And I don't know if you can see this, but they're all stitched, hand stitched, with tiny little seed beads to decorate. So the whole journal is just gorgeous. So thank you, Heidi. I really enjoyed receiving this. Just nice ideas, fully decorated, although still plenty of room if I do want to write in it. I don't know if I'll be able to bring myself to write in it, but we'll see. So that's super gorgeous from the lovely Heidi. And then this journal I ordered some time ago from an Etsy seller called Burke's 7 Vintage. I think she's from Canada. She does these repurposed hardback books with spiral binding. I chose this music book, and this journal is totally different from the last one, but I love it just as much. In fact, it's really super cool, this one. So it's vintage book pages from the original book, and white writing pages all the way through. There's lots and lots of pages. There's a few, it's just so interesting. There's a few envelopes interspersed in between some of the pages. This one took a long time to arrive. This lady uses the cheapest postage solution that she can, which I presume is overland. I think it took about 8 weeks to get here, which is stated up front, so that was fine and was lovely because it was, I'd forgotten what I'd ordered, so it was a really lovely surprise actually to get it in the post and enjoy it again. And always so much better in reality. I love medical drawings, so that's really cool. Animals, children's books, all sorts in here. Absolutely love it. So thank you very much for that one. And if you like this sort of journal, obviously I'd recommend it. Go and check her out. And I will put a link underneath. And then, oh, she sent me as well some fussy cut images, which is great. And then from LaineyWhitworth Art, I've been eyeing these up for a really long time. These are 3D animals. I'm a bit of a hare lover, like many people. So this is my Wish Upon a Star hare, and I just think he's absolutely gorgeous. So again, if you like this type of thing, go and check Lainey's art out. It's fabulous. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all again soon. Thank you.